Welcome to Learn to Build and Build to Learn AWS IoT series. ESP32 has 4 hardware timers and we can access those timers using timer ID that starts from 0 to 3, and in the constructor we need to pass that ID. If you click machine.timer class, you will find more details here about this constructor, and there are two operating mode. One is one shot, another one is periodic. One shot is just your callback will be called once the timer expires, and in case of periodic, it will call that callback periodically based on the configuration. Let's quickly do a hands-on. I already have one blink method and I am switching on and off that LED which is connected to pin 15 in half-second interval. This time, instead of using for loop, we are going to use the timer class to blink this LED. First, we have to import this timer class from machine module. Then I have created this timer object and I have passed the timer ID 0. Init method takes couple of parameters. One is operating mode, which can be periodic or one shot. Then we need to pass the period, after which this callback will be called, and the callback method takes at least one parameter, which is timer. So in our case, I have set period as 2000 millisecond, which is 2 seconds. Mode is periodic and callback is the blink method. Now if I run this script, this callback method blink will be invoked periodically in every 2 seconds. Run the current script and you can see the LED started blinking. Also notice that this command prompt is returned. So this callback is being called in non-blocking mode. And to stop this timer, you can use timer.deinit to deinitialize this timer. So let's try. Let's copy this. Access the same timer. Then 0.deinit. And this will stop the timer. The LED blinking is stopped now. Let's move to the next topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.